Hello guys, now today we are going to cover statistics 2. Now let's read the question. The table below shows the distribution of marks scored by 60 students in a mathematics contest. State the model class. Now the model class is the class with the highest frequency. So we check the class with the highest frequency, which is 5160. So that is the model class. The next question, using assumed mean of 555.5, calculate the actual mean of the data. Now we are going to draw a table like this. Yeah. Now first of all, we will take the classes. We shall take 11 here. We add to 20 divided by 2, we get 15.5. 21 plus 30 divided by 2. We do that way for all of the numbers. Then here we write down the corresponding frequency for each of them. Now this D is deviation. This is deviation from the assumed mean. Now each of these values we will find their deviation from the assumed mean. Like this is 15.5 minus the assumed mean, which is 55.5. So it is x. Actually, this is column D is x minus A, which is x minus the assumed mean. So this midpoint minus the assumed mean, what gives us this D column? So here 25.5 minus 55.5, we get negative 30. 35.5 minus 55.5, we get negative 20. We do the same for all the values of x. Then we take FD, which is the frequency times deviation. So that is 3 times negative 40, you get negative 120. 5 times negative 30, you get negative 150. We do the same for all the values. And we get FD squared, because we will have to calculate the standard deviation. So we have to get FD squared. So these values we square 120 squared, and you get this negative, not 120 squared, but actually this is going to be 120, negative 120 times 40, because we have to square the negative 30 times negative 150. So we get FD squared. It is D that is squared, remember. So let's get down to the first question. The first question is asking us to calculate the actual mean. Now the actual mean, which is x bar, will be given by 55, that is 55.5, that is the assumed mean, plus a summation of FD down there, summation of frequency. So we'll add all frequency by deviation. This is negative 120. You can see where that is. Negative 120 down here, this one. So we add that to this. This one cancels this. We shall get minus minus 2. So 55.5 minus 2, we get 53.5, which is the actual mean. So that is how to calculate the actual mean. Now down here, standard deviation. Yeah. Standard deviation will take summation of fd squared over summation, yeah, the data here, you can see our total frequency. We are down there, the total frequency is 60. So summation of f, and then we subtract summation of fd over summation of f. Yeah. So we'll square the whole of summation of fd over summation of f. We square that. So we take this summation of fd squared over 60, which is summation of f, minus summation of fd over summation of f. The whole of that squared, we get negative 2. Now we add this to get the square root, and this is going to give us the standard deviation. Now the next question is to estimate the fourth decile of the data. So the fourth decile of the data, now we take 60 divided by 4. So 4, of course, is 4 over 10 times 60. It's 4 over 10. So we get 24. So 4 over 10 times 60, we get 24. And where does 24 fall? In which class does 24? Will 24 fall in? So 24 is going to fall somewhere there. So you're going to take 40.5, which is the lower class limit of that class. We add to 24 minus 15. And that's the frequency above the class, the middle class, divided by the frequency of the middle class, which is 9. And then get the fourth decile to be 40.5. So that is all for this, guys. Feel free to leave your comment below, and subscribe to promote this video. Have a nice time.